It's important to have students learn to be able to check or correct their calculations in mathematics. Not only does this allow them autonomy to see if they have done it correctly, it also tells them if they've done it incorrectly. And this aspect is the most beneficial, as it forces them to go back and find the mistake. They see where it went wrong as opposed to a teacher simply telling them it's wrong, and this is a very powerful learning tool. When students become confident in addition and subtraction, we teach them to use subtraction to check addition and addition to check subtraction. Then we get into multiplication, and students want to be able to check their work but don't yet have a good grasp on division. The Italian teachers would use a trick called la prova del nove, which the international teachers translated to the magic 9 check, and this check allowed students to check their multiplication, and it works like this. You would have your multiplication set up with your tens in the tens column in red and your units in the units column in blue, and you would go ahead and solve it. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. So your answer is 39. Then you would go to check. You would take the first number and you would add all the digits together. So you would say 1 plus 3 is 4, and you would put it over here in this box. And then you would add up all the digits in the second row, or the second number, and you've got nothing plus 3 is 3. You can only put one number in each box, so I'll get to when we have larger numbers in a next video. Then we come down here and we add this row of numbers up, or our answer up. We add up all the digits. Now, it's called the magic 9 check because whenever we have a 9, we can turn it into 0. So we would say that that's now a 0, and we'd say 3 plus nothing is 3. And to get this last box filled, we would have to come up here and we would say 4 times 3 is 12. Now you can only put one digit in each box, so we couldn't put 12 there. We would add those digits together, and you keep adding them together until you get to only one digit. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now I know that I've done this multiplication correctly because these bottom two numbers are the same. If you forgot to make the 9 a 0, you would say 9 plus 3 is 12, and you would have the same thing, 1 plus 2 is 3, and you would still get there, but saying that 9 is 0 simply saves you a step. And that is how you can check multiplication in columns.